HyperGear wireless charging mousepad. I really like this mousepad. That's why I decided to make review for this mousepad to you guys today. Be prepared. Alright, but before I open this wireless charging mousepad, I want to turn the back of the box and show you the three positions you can use this mousepad, which means it has three micro USB ports. So let's open the box and see how it looks. Here's the side. Okay. They really close it well. I think I have to open this side as well. And finally this side. Okay. Oh, first of all, I really like the material. It's leather. It's really soft leather. The touchpad itself is not flexible. I know here I can see the NFC spot. And here is the first micro USB port. Okay, this is the first one. I hope you can see it, guys. And here's a USB cable. It's micro USB as expected, so we can use like the normal USB cable for the mobile, so it's okay. This is easy and perfect. And here we can find the manual, and it has some instructions. And this is a registration card. Okay, let's go back to our magical mousepad. Alright, now I'm going to use a cable and start to test the mousepad. One side I can connect it to the computer or any mobile charger. Now here is a spot of the NFC, and this is the first micro USB port. And this is the second one, and the third one is here. Okay, perfect. Any position you want to put your pad, you connect the cable to the closer side or the closer port. Okay, let's plug the USB. Okay, I forgot to tell you there is like a blue LED. Here's it. It will switch on once we plug the cable. All right, then it will switch off. And now I'm going to put my Note 9 mobile, which has NFC ability to charge. So I'll start to put it here. Okay, I can see here the LED started and the mobile started to charge as well. And you still have this old big space to use it with your mouse, computer mouse. Alright, and now I'm showing you how it looks like on my computer. Okay, now I put my mobile, I'm waiting it to charge. 1, 2, 3. Already started to charge, perfect. The mouse area, as you see, it's perfect as well. Okay guys, I hope you like this review video. Please, if you like it, give me a like, and please subscribe for Hitch Collections channel so you'll get the latest videos. Thank you. Goodbye.